Are you in need of a makeup brush cleaner? Well, I have a great gift idea or a great product that you might find useful if so. Makeup brushes, and I use this for my face, my eyes, my cheeks, and they get dirty. And I don't like to use dirty ones because then it creates breakout oils, and just so I either replace them or have to try to figure out a way to clean them. And so I'm really excited about this product because this is gonna help me out a ton for my makeup brushes. It comes packaged nicely, and this is the actual product. It has a silicone lid and a silicone pad so that once you clean your brushes, you have a way to kind of brush off the water. And this is nice, it's a suction, so you can suction this to your mirror and put your brush, store your brushes there. So silicone with suction and little spots to put your brush in, so that way you can hold them up nicely and not put them in a drawer or a place where they can get dirty. Plugs into USB, so I have a USB plug right here. Easy to power it on. There's a nice big button here on top. And look at that. So you just click it to power it on and off. You can see there's a line here for max. You do not want to put more water or solution above that line. And then this is the lid. So what's cool about the lid, it's silicone and your brushes can easily slip in there. So when they're done cleaning, you can hold them up to dry and then they hold in place to clean. So you can put a little bit of solution like soap or whatever, or alcohol in the water to clean it, but you don't need to. You can just do warm water. So we're gonna put the brushes in here like this. It does hold different sizes. Okay, so you can see here, it's on there nicely. And if you want it to go up higher or lower, you just simply slip it through the silicone nicely. We're gonna power it on. Let's see how dirty this water gets. Notice the light here, the blue light that aids with help cleaning it, the water spinning around, the bubbles. Look at that, wow. The water is getting filthy. These brushes needed a cleaning. The packaging is nicely, so say you want to gift it to someone, there is instructions, step-by-step instructions on how to use it and care for it with pictures. All right, so when it's done, pull it out. And it really is that simple to use. So here I have everything laid out. This is how it came. I just literally unpackaged it and laid it out so you can see all the different things that it comes with.